Yeah, hi Wally, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done one of your lasers here, one of two, all fully working. I'll just put it on for you, all fully working. This is for your VAU 1254/11. I'll just turn the volume up. I'll go up the tracks. Track 2, track 3. I'll do it faster now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's track 9. I'll turn that up. Wait, so let's go up to track 10 because that sounds a bit. Be here forever. Track 10. Yeah, so it's working perfectly without any errors on that one. You got a 6-month warranty on that, of course. So that's one there for you to go. Thank you very much.